Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is June 12, 2020. Today, one, two, three, go. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's June 12 and it's Happy Independence Day, Pilipinas. And right now, we will be sharing with you kung anong pinagkakabisihan namin recently. So, guys, since wala kaming travel, so less gastos because most of our gastos actually are going to our travel expenses. So now na walang travel because of the coronavirus, so we decided to spend na lang the money in something na we've been planning pa even before. So yun ay ang aming Bahay Kubo. So at the back, we are already starting to build, or actually the Panday is already starting to build the Bahay Kubo. So we're gonna show you the day-by-day improvement. And the Bahay Kubo actually, yung vibe na ini-aim namin is like this. Yes, oo. Para siyang Bali-inspired Bahay Kubo. Parang resort-style Bahay Kubo. Wherein visible yung bamboo sa likod. So parang forest siya na vibe. So it's fit because yung backyard namin is all bamboos. So And sayang yung space.
yes, so there, so yun yung aming pinagkakabisihan ngayon. So we will be showing you the improvement every day. So currently, eto na siya guys. So guys, eto na siya. Update on our Bahay Kubo project dito sa likod. So as you can see, parang haligi pa lang at saka yung beam ng Bahay Kubo. So this is day 3. Hindi sila nakapagtrabaho in the past 2 days because nga umuulan dito sa Bacolod. So there. So eto pa lang siya. I like because they're using this one guys. So I don't know. Parang mas sturdy siya. And then after that, they're using alambre. There. So I can't wait to see what's gonna be the finished product. So as you can see in the background, it's all trees and bamboos. So yun yung vibe na gusto namin. So para siyang sa province lang, diba? There. So what's gonna happen is magkakaroon dito ng sahig, and it's gonna be like elevated dito sa part na to. Ayan, it's gonna be elevated para parang viewing deck siya na type, and your background is gonna be that. There. And magkakaroon ng chairs dito on this side and also on that side. And then we will just set up a table here. So parang resort talaga siya. Para pwede kang mag-chill, pwede kang kumain ng breakfast, or invite your friends para uminom at mag-shot, diba?
Liquor ban.
That's fine, liquor ban is already lit. So there guys, so that's the update for now. So again, we will show you the progress every day. So for now, that's it.
And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please do like and share. And also follow us on our Facebook page as well as on our Instagram account. So again, Happy Independence Day, Pilipinas from all of us here. See you on the next one.
Bye!